here at question 3. And question 3 says, suppose a person has $8 to spend on apples and bananas. So right away, once the question talks about apples and bananas, it might be a very easy question, and this question is a very easy question. It says apple costs 40 cents each and bananas cost 10 cents each. Part A says, if this person buys only apples, how many can be bought? Part B, if this person buys only bananas, how many can be bought? Part A. So you have $8 and you're going to buy only apples, and apples is 40 cents each, right? So how many apples can be bought if you have $8? $8 divided by 40 cents, and you should get 20 apples. For part B, so 20 apples can be bought, and part B, again, you have $8. So the bananas cost 10 cents. The number of bananas is equal to $8 divided by 10 cents. So therefore you can buy 80 bananas. So if you had $8 and you spend the entire $8 on apples, you can purchase 20 apples. If you had $8 and you spend the entire amount on bananas, you can purchase 80 bananas. Part C says, if this person were to buy 10 apples, how many bananas can be bought from the funds left over? So your total amount is $8. So let's say y is equal to 8. And you were to buy 10 apples. Apples cost 40 cents. Therefore, 10 apples is equal to 10 times 0.4, which is equal to $4. So to find out how much you have left over, you take the total amount, $8 minus this $4, and so you have $4 left over. And how many bananas can you buy with the funds left over? Well, you have $4, and you divide that by the cost of bananas, which is 10 cents each, and so you can buy 40 bananas with the funds left over. Right, so this question is pretty simple. You had $8, you purchased 10 apples, so you have $4 remaining. You spend that remainder on bananas, and so it's 10 cents per each banana, so you can purchase 40 bananas with that $4. Part D. If the person consumes one less apple, that is 9. So instead of purchasing 10 apples, they purchase 9 apples. How many more bananas could be bought? So the cost of an apple is equal to 40 cents, right? And the cost of a banana is equal to 10 cents. Therefore, if you purchase one less apple, how much more bananas can you get? Well, you take 40 cents and you divide that by 10 cents. Therefore, you can purchase 4 more bananas. And the other part of this question says, is this rate of trade-off the same no matter how many apples are relinquished? Yes, this rate is the same because the cost of apples are not changing and the cost of bananas are not changing. Because those two costs are constant, the price ratio would be the same. So therefore, every one apple you give up, you can purchase 4 more bananas. Part E. Write down the algebraic equation for this person's budget constraint and graph it showing the points mentioned in part A through D. Using graph paper might improve the accuracy of your work. So a person's budget constraint usually takes the form of income is equal to the price of good X times the amount of good X plus the price of good Y times the amount of good Y. In this case, this person has $8 to spend, and we are dealing with apples and bananas. So $8 is equal to the price of an apple times the number of apples plus the price of bananas times the number of bananas, which is equal to 0.4 times the number of apples plus 0.1 times the number of bananas. So 8 equals 0.4 times A plus 0.1 times B. This is the algebraic equation for your budget constraint. You can see in part A and B, we said if you spend all your money on bananas, you can purchase 80 bananas. So that's how you would know the y-intercept here. And if you were to spend all your money on apples, we calculated that you would purchase 20 apples, and that's how you get the x-intercept on this part. And these are the points, 10 and 40, 44 and 9 is what we calculated previously. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.